The fastest growing type of small business currently is content creation. Personally, content creation have changed my life, and that is why in this video today, I'm going to take you through step-by-step beginner's guide into content creation. I'm going to teach you from what is content creation, who is a content creator, how to get started as a content creator, different ways and job opportunities in content creation, why you should even go into content creation, and much more. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So what is content creation? Content creation is simply creating communication media for your audience. It could be through audio, through images, through video, etc. So who is a content creator? A content creator is someone that creates graphical or audio or video content for their audience. It's simply that. So as you are watching me right now, I'm a content creator and you are my audience. So why content creation? Why should you go into content creation? The first thing is leverage work, like using every piece of content in multiple ways to get the highest return in investment is one of the things that make me to love content creation. Number two, the brand awareness. Number three, building community. Like you have a community of people that you can share, people that like you, people that know you, people that trust you, people that want to buy from you, people that can refer you to others. Another thing is it provides you platform to share your skill, share your knowledge, share your passion with other people, and it will give you this why, like it will give you this fulfillment in life, that there is someone that cares about you, there's someone that learn from you, that there's someone that you give bring entertainment into their life. Another thing is location independence. Like I can be anywhere to create my content. I can decide to do voiceover. I can decide to do lifestyle. Like currently now, I've been having 1 or 2 battles with my siblings. They were like, "We'll call you. We try your number is not going. What is happening?" I said, "I'm sleeping," because nobody can define to me when it is my morning or when it is my afternoon. I can wake up 2 a.m. and work. I can decide to sleep all day. So the location independent, I can be anywhere and I can still run my business. Another reason why you should consider content creation is the fastest growing industry currently. And another reason again is the low cost. Like you can just have, if you are watching me right now, that means you have all it takes to get started, which is your phone and internet connectivity. So how do you get started into content creation? The first thing is you need to have a phone and internet connection, right? Then the second thing, which a lot of people used to skip, and that is why they struggle a lot and they end up not profiting in the business, is educate yourself about content creation. If you are watching me, you are already in this number 2. If you are listening to me right now, that means you are educating yourself. It is important. You should take your time to educate yourself, to know the industry at large, the content creation. A lot of people are, some people are content creators, but they don't even know what it takes and all that. So you need to educate yourself. That's the second step. The third step is you need to find your expertise. Choose a niche, okay? Like, as I introduce myself, I also tell you that on this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So you need to pick a niche. A niche is like a topic, what your video is going to be all about, and it's not necessarily something that you are so experienced. One thing I understand about life and about even content creation is that no matter the stage that you are at, there is someone that is wishing and hoping to get to where you are. So that little knowledge you have, that experience that you have gathered, there are people out there looking and searching for that information only you could offer. So you need to find your expertise, choose a niche, what you should talk about, and don't overstress yourself, because I'm going to do another separate video talking about how you can specifically choose a niche that can play, that you can be profitable in. And believe you me, you don't have to waste so much time on that, because what you start with might not be what you will continue, because you can always change. But it is important from the start for you to have a niche, that's a topic, so that what you will be talking about. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is to know your audience. So let's assume now that I choose parenting, because as a mother of four, yeah, I can talk about parenting. So, but as I choose parenting as a niche, I can also still niche down to maybe parenting teens or children. Okay, so it is important for you to, so that if I say I'm parenting teenagers, that means my target audience will be like mothers or parents from 40 years old, right, from 35 to maybe 50. Those are people that are raising teenagers. So it is important I know who are my audience. Then knowing my audience will make me know their location. Okay, and how do I know their location? By choosing a platform. So when I know the demography of my audience, their age, maybe their gender, because when you talk about parenting, somehow mothers used to pay more attention because they are always more closer or together with the children. So I will now check women that are between so age and so age. So I will now check what platform are they most engaging in, what are their pain points, what are they passing through currently, how can I bring solution to those audience. So that is what will determine where I'm going to be posting. It's important. Yes, you can be everywhere. Like me now, of course, if I hear a new social media is out, I'll go and create my profile and all that. But you will not expect me to be that serious, because I've already know where I am getting a lot of traffic for my business, for my brand, for my content. So you need to check all that so that you choose a platform. Some people used to make this mistake a lot. Some you will see them on YouTube, meanwhile their audience are in Facebook group. So don't say you just have to do it on YouTube because someone tell you that YouTube pays. So it's important you choose your platform carefully. And if you're interested more on choosing platform, any of these points that I hit, the one that you need an elaborate video on, let me know in the comment section so that I'll go in depth. Then the next step is you need to build your brand. So the moment you choose, you've learned about content creation, you have choose a particular niche, you know who are your audience, you have choose a platform, you now build your brand. You just build your brand around that line, because you are your brand, and the way you present yourself will determine how far you are going to go in the industry. After building your brand, the next step is monetization. So I'm going to still talk more about monetization in the job opportunity, so that you will know that you don't have to wait until the platform monetize you before you start getting or making money. There are different ways you can make money. I'm going to get into that. So then that is why I named this Content Creation 101, so that it can help you get started. This is the first video. I'm going to continuously make more video about content creation. So in the description of my video, I'll drop a playlist, meaning all the videos I'll be doing relating to content creation will be added to that video. I hope I'm able to convince you and not confuse you to start content creation, right? So I hope to see you in my next video. Please like this video, comment, beautiful comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until I see you in my next video, have a wonderful day. Bye.